This is ours.
Greetings from Team Tunisia. Welcome to the unboxing video of the First Global Challenge 2019 kit. We are 5 passionate members of the First Kids Club Association who are empowered to make their dear country proud. We are excited to start this journey as the national Tunisian team representing Tunisia in one of the world's largest robotics events, the First Global Challenge.